Beauty International School presents.
The first thing is that this is the power. This is the power switch, and then when you're ready, you can use the start pulse in here. Okay, so once you press, and then you have option auto or manual. Okay, auto and manual, what's the difference? So for safety guideline, manual is better. So you have the foot pedal control. So the foot pedal when you start and start. So once you switch, this is the foot pedal. When you press it, it is on. Okay. If not, so you can continue by auto. So the auto, once the auto is on, it's on. Okay. So like you go in the highway, you drive, so you will ready to work. If you're not ready to work yet, I prefer on the manual. Okay. So the second one's output level 1 to 10. So 1 to 10 it is increase. Higher is 10, and the lower you can decrease. So for the depends on skin type. For sensitive and thin skin, so I will try the level 3 first. Okay. And make sure I see the skin it's result work. So it's okay. So that is the best the energy testing. And then if you see some skin is thickness, so we will increase. This is 4, 5, 6, 5 or 6. Okay. Testing the thicker skin. Okay. Thicker skin or brown spot or mole. Okay. So maybe you can start from that for the mole. So if the mole is that depends on it. You have to see. You get used to. Try from the lower first, and then if not work, and then you can increase on that, like driving from the slow speed first. Okay, because if you put on too high, you touch the skin, it's damaged too much. It's hard to repair, hard to recover. Okay, so that's why we recommend started from that.
Okay,
four.
I understand.
And then we have different kind of needle for the machine. Can I get the hand pieces? Yes. Okay, this is the hand pieces. You can plug the machine in the hole, make sure it fits. Okay, we have the foot pedal control. Okay, so how one needle for one client. One day only. Do not try to keep it and sanitation and the use. Do not. Okay. Because it will get infection. Okay. Okay. So and then when you use it, suppose when you started to change, you need the glove. Should order more on that. Yeah. Okay. Then I make sure like I turn off when I change the needle, not on yet. Okay. So this is turn. That's it. And when you install the needles, just switch this open and this tight. Okay. Okay. So if you need to change it, totally take out from here. Sometimes you do in the service with blood, so the blood stay on here.
So one cap or one needle per client.
That's for your safety purpose, for yourself, okay? Okay. So this one. Okay, so don't make it too tight before you turn on. So you put on here. That's the way how to install the needles. Okay. So the needle we have, but if you find out the good one, so it's easy for you. For example, I will use the acupuncture needle for open skin. Like if the client they have ethnic,
the blackheads and
blackhead,
stuff.
yes. get into to open it and easy to.
Yeah, those are good to have.
Yeah, that's I
Okay.
show them. Yeah.
It's different way to use it. Okay.
Those are acupuncture.
All right. So and then we can on. So and then press this one. Okay, and then you can select menu first. Okay, and then we can select this or one more, and then we start. Okay, so when we start, so like that's I keep sketch to on the menu first.
Okay.
Before you start, because you have to how you start. We have the model, so we have to clean the skin with
This thing.
yes. Okay. Yes. This product is better. The sodium. Yeah. So it will be better than use the alcohol. Of course, you can use the alcohol pad to clean. Okay.
With this.
Yeah. This is the gauze. Yes. Okay. This is sterilized. Okay. Yeah. That is important for you avoiding skin infection. Okay.
But you said only before, not after, right?
It's used
after
before.
too.
Yeah.
After
Before the
too.
clean.
After
And then
too,
after.
right?
Yeah.
Yep.
So I can see my eye control. So the hold the skin, you have to hold the skin, and then touch.
You smell it too.
Yeah, I saw
Are
the
you
smoke.
touching it?
Yes, she is.
But you're touching it.
Not anymore.
Why is she touching it?
So when you see it,
How it's
when,
cutting?
yeah. So it depends
It's
the pigment.
definitely cutting.
Yes. If the yeah.
You gotta get in there to get it out though.
Okay. So make sure it's clean.
But not really. If it's a mole, you
For
burn the
that
actual
one.
skin. It's
Yeah.
something on top of
Right,
your skin.
right.
So we found out the skin tag.
So you kind of
Yeah. So we were going to put the numbing
Yeah,
and the
you're just
tweezer
taking
and
off just
with the machine
before it
for that
touched the
for cut
skin
off that.
itself.
So and
But
then
if it's
this
the
one
actual-
is a black.
This side too, sweetie.
Oh, you want to do both sides? Okay, take it.
Whatever that they have the skin tag, just apply the number cream on that area.
Okay.
Will be there.
I will be rich.
The area, they have more area. Whatever the teacher want the demo, you can put now.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can handle it, and then we can do more strong sitting. More strong sitting.
7,
Yeah, more. 7, 8.
8.
Yeah, good. How you feel now?
I'm fine.
She fine. You can do higher.
9.
Yeah. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you can do 10. She's strong.
10.
Yeah, good.
Oh.
You good?
Mm-hmm.
Good, sweetie.
Mm-hmm.
You keep ask your client how they feel, okay, sweetie? When you work,
Okay.
keep ask them how they feel. They can handle it or not. If not, you stop and apply more cream for them.
And wait a little bit.
Yeah, and wait a little bit.
I see the deep breaths. I see the deep breaths. It's kicking.
I
And
told
a
you.
little piece of tissue.
Yeah.
Cotton.
You see?
So, yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
It's gone?
It's
Yes,
gone,
ma'am.
it's gone. You
Yay!
see?